Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? Jeff Fowler here, back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we have a review on these bad boys right here. These are the Nike Vapormax 2.0 Flyknits, and this is them in the pure platinum colorway. And as you can see, they're beautiful. Love these shoes right here, man. But yeah, these shoes, sick. I mean, honestly, in my opinion, these might be the best shoes to drop for this year, and yeah, we're gonna do a review on them. So definitely stay tuned and hit that subscribe button and that notification button if you haven't already. And yeah, let's begin. All right guys, so here we have the Vapormax 2.0 again. This is the second iteration of Nike's Vapormax line, with the first iteration coming out last year, and yeah, they did super well with that. So they decided to come out with the second version of the shoe. Now, retail price for the shoe is $190, and after tax it came up to about $200 or $203. So yeah, it's a pretty expensive shoe. For some people, it might not be worth it for this price to get this shoe. But for me, aesthetically, this is a super nice shoe, so I went ahead and bit the bullet and got them. Now, while the Vapormax line is widely popular, there are some people that find the silhouette a little too futuristic, and well, a little much. And it has stopped them from purchasing both versions of the shoe. And well, you know, their loss. These shoes still fire. All right guys, so let's take a closer look at this shoe. As you can see, we have an all Flyknit upper. Flyknit is Nike's technology. It basically makes the shoe like, it gives it like this sock-like feeling. So whenever you tie it down or lace it down really tight, it's not gonna slip or give or anything. So you have like the most possible lockdown in a shoe. And that is further facilitated by Nike's Flywire, as you can see on each of the inlets right here for each lace. And as I said before, that just helps lock down the shoe even more. And the color for the Flyknit is this pure platinum color with some hits of white. And as you can see, it's not truly white, it's like this metallic looking silvery whitish mixture, which is super cool. Now, the thing I love about Nike's Flyknit is that it's super breathable. As you can see, we have these perforations lined all over the shoe, and yeah, just helps your feet breathe, which is always a plus. So we have the laces right here in the Flywire in white, as well as a white Nike check right here on the lateral slide. Here on the medial side, we also have a smaller Nike check also. And yeah, you know, on the first versions of the Vapormaxes, there was like a bigger Nike check on the lateral side as well as the medial side. They decided to go with the smaller versions of the checks with this shoe. Kind of prefer the bigger versions on the first versions of the shoe, but hey, what can you do? Now, towards the back of the shoe, we have this IC Fuse overlay over the Flyknit. This helps contain the feet even more and just prevents any slippage when you're walking or running with this shoe. And then over that Fuse overlay, we just have this plastic TPU that's perforated twice, which is an interesting design choice by Nike. I don't hate it, still looks cool. Just as an added side note for this shoe, the Flyknit right here on pretty much the entire upper is woven super tight, and it won't give too much, as you can see right here. So it's not gonna give like your prime knit uppers on your Ultra Boost, which is super stretchy. So on the tongue of the shoe right here, we have our Vapormax branding and a hit of 3M right here on the back pull tab. All right, so now let's get into the midsole of the Vapormax. As you can see, we have these air pods right here going along the bottom of the shoe. Boom. And yeah, if I had to say, it kind of feels like you're walking like on cleats. If you guys have played any sports where it requires you to wear cleats, that's kind of what it feels like. Now, with that being said, it still is a comfortable shoe to walk around and run in. Yeah, a lot of compression right here in the rear air pod as you walk around, and not so much so in the midfoot and like the front foot area right here. These don't compress at all. And I would say this is a decently comfortable shoe to walk around in. It's not gonna be like your Ultra Boost, which is super squishy and like walking on a cloud like as soon as you put the shoe on. But from what I've heard, you just gotta break the shoe in a little and then you'll start to feel all that Vapormax air cushion goodness. So yeah, as I said before, the AirPods are segmented, as you can see right here. So for some people, they might not get past the like segmented feel that you're gonna feel when you're walking with these shoes, since it's not all one midsole. So if you're curious about these shoes, try to get a pair on feet and yeah, walk around a little with them, see how they feel. But for me personally, they feel fine. So going back to the bottom of the shoe, as you can see, we have these reinforced areas right here at the end of the shoe, on the lateral side right here, and on the medial side right here. So these are just areas that are extra protected. I guess this is where Nike thinks that your foot will be striking when it hits the ground the most, so they reinforce those areas. And yeah, no need to worry about the Air Max bubbles or pods popping. There's a bunch of videos online about people walking on like broken glass, tacks, and stuff like that with the Vapormaxes and them coming out fine, so no need to worry about them popping. Now, for those of you guys wondering about the sizing for the shoe, a lot of people say to go true to size. Me personally, I went half a size up, so I usually wear a 10, and I got these in a 10.5, and these fit perfectly. So based on my personal experience with this shoe, I'd say go half a size up. Alright guys, so that has been a review of the Nike Vapormax Flyknit 2.0 in the pure platinum colorway. Like I said before, super dope shoe, and yeah, super happy I was able to get my hands on a pair. I love the color scheme with the white and the pure platinum and like this icy blue Vapormax sole. Just a great shoe. And if you guys are able to get your hands on a pair, let me know down below. I'm super curious what your thoughts on the shoe are. Or just let me know what you guys think on the Vapormax line in general. If you guys like it or hate it, I'd like to know. Definitely subscribe if you haven't before, and hit that notification bell for future uploads. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video.